The first cab off the rank is a really interesting tool for those of you who have more than one social media profile. So if you've got a Facebook page, an Instagram page, a Snapchat, and a WhatsApp, a LinkedIn, etc., this is definitely for you. So we've come across a resource called Linkle. So we're going to put the link in the description here, so you can go and click on it and go and fill this out for yourself. But basically, this software, it's free, which is a bonus. Who doesn't like free, right? Go to linkle.com. Go to the registration page, join, sign up. I'm going to show you and give you a quick demo here. Super simple. You go and obviously sign in. I've already done that. Click down to the links area. I've already actually put in an Instagram. So let's say I want to put in my Facebook fan page. See, this is a perfect example of why you really want to be able to have these processes in place, because when someone asks you, oh, what's your Facebook page, or what's your LinkedIn, or where can I follow you? You don't want to go send them every individual link. So this is the solution. So let's go, we'll save that. That's the link to my Facebook fan page. And you would continue, you'd put your Snapchat, you'd put all the other social handles you want. You can actually have up to 10 here for free. And then of course, we're going to go and view our profile. Oh, can't be left blank. There we go. So view my profile. You'll notice there it's got a shitty avatar. You want to put in a photo of you, a nice profile photo of you. The color there can be changed. And all of a sudden there's LinkedIn, there's my Facebook fan page. So now you can all of a sudden, instead of sending someone each individual link, you can send them your Linkle link, which I've actually, for some reason, I've got the /Brett. So I must be the first Brett. Woo! First time ever I've scored the username Brett. So there you go, Linkle. Use it in your business. When anyone asks you, like imagine that this is like a business card on steroids. There's no more handing out an individual business card. It's like, here's a link, here's your link. Even if you still want to use business cards, put your Linkle link on your business card and they'll be able to find every single place that you want them to find you. So that's pretty cool, that's super cool. Click on my Instagram, let's go and visit Brett at Instagram. There he is, there in the flesh. Now, speaking about links and special magical links, there's another thing that I really want to show you, and this is for those users who have your very own website. So for example, I'm going to use brettcampbell.net is my official website personally, and this is another really cool way on how you can utilize and create sort of what we'd call some magic links. They're actually called Pretty Links, because the software we're going to teach you today is called Pretty Links. So you need to have, number one, a website URL, and number two, it needs to be a WordPress website. So what we'll do, I'll jump in on the screen here and I'll show you. So here we are, we're in the back end of my website. You go and install, I'm not going to show you how to do that, but you need to install the plugin called Pretty Link. Pretty straightforward, takes like 30 seconds. Then all you do is you come in here and you go add a Pretty Link. Simple as that. The beautiful thing about this Pretty Link is you can use it if you write blog posts, if you have podcasts, whatever link you ever want to use. If you've got affiliate links, this is perfect for that as well. So you come in here and you write your target URL. Let's just say in this case, I'm going to go brettcampbell.net. Happy days are here. You know, when you write blog posts and it's got really long URLs and they look a bit clunky and messy. Let's say I've got happy days are here again. So what I can basically do is I can now take that target URL, I can come in here and change the Pretty Link. I can now make this whatever I want it to be. I could call it brettcampbell.net/1. Or I could just go brettcampbell.net/happy, and I'd create that link, and then instead of sharing the happy days are here again, I'd just share the happy link. Okay, let me just show you a couple of examples of how I've used it with podcasts, because this is really cool. If you want to really go back and you know that there was a killer episode somewhere, but you don't know the actual URL path. So for example, here, one of my Unleash Your Greatness episodes dealing with anger. So I decided to put a Pretty Link on that, and the episode link is /EP-017-deal-anger. Like, that's quite, I'm never going to remember that, but I know that it was episode 17 and I've labeled it as brettcampbell.net/017. So you can get as creative or whatever you like with that. So it's a really cool software. It's free. You have to have a WordPress plugin and a website to do that, and you can base it off your URL. So for example, if I have a particular product that I'm an affiliate for, let's say I'm an affiliate for XYZ widgets, right? And XYZ widgets, as you know, affiliate links end up with /AFF-135 because it's a unique parameter, right? All I can do is I can come in here and I could take my ugly URL for my affiliate link and I can come and put it into a pretty link and go brettcampbell.net/XYZ widgets. So it's a super cool tool. There's many variations on how you're able to utilize this in your business. So now what I want to do is I'm going to combine the two. So what we're going to use Pretty Links and Linkle together. This is quite smart. So I'm going to take my Linkle link now because Linkle's quite new. Not everyone knows and is maybe not going to trust what comes after Linkle, okay? So when you've got a trusted URL like facebook.com, anything that comes after it you're going to trust. But something that's brand new, in this case linkle.com, people might be like, oh, I don't know if I want to click it, because you know how you get the bit.ly links and a whole heap of other options out there that you can use. They just look a little bit clunky as well. So what we're going to do is I'm actually going to take my Linkle link. I'm going to come into my Pretty Links account. I'm going to go add a Pretty Link. I am now going to my target URL. I want them to end up at my Linkle page with all of my URLs for my social, and I'm just going to go brettcampbell/social. Boom. Then I'll go create. I can create a title there. You'll see if you don't create a title, it'll just make one for you. But now all of a sudden I can go brettcampbell.net/social. If I go social, that now, if I put social now into a URL, into the menu bar, it comes up just like that, because people are gonna trust brettcampbell.net over the Linkle. I would think right now, and it doesn't hurt to have it, so magic. Thanks for tuning into this segment of Notified. To watch the entire episode, please click the video on your left, and to remain up to date and to ensure that you stay notified, click the subscribe button on your right. Click it, go. What are you waiting for? Click it, do it, click it. See ya.